Hey y'all, Sean Rickshaw here. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing two of the major data generation softwares in the wholesaling houses, business, real estate, investing, creative finance, whatever it is you may call it. So I'm going to be comparing two of the giant data generation softwares in this video. So I'm going to be comparing both filters, because one really is way better than the next. All right. So on one hand, we're going to have PropStream. The next, we're going to have REIPro, and we're going to put them head to head. All right. So, hey, let's get right into it. I can't wait for this video. I just want to show you which is actually better. I want to settle the score right now, right here in this video. One will clearly win. Let's get into this video. So we're going to start with PropStream first. All right. And we're going to pretty much get our, just narrow ourselves down with the filters. So we already have the vacant property, selected. So we're going to go straight to filters. So we're going to go with owner occupied, no, and occupancy status vacant. And we're going to now go with REIPro. Now, do remember, these are two different softwares, so their interface are going to be different, meaning you have two different starting points. So we're going to go straight down to our potential equity. We're going to go with 60% or more. And we're going to go back over here into our PropStream property characteristics. So we're going to go with residential and property type. That's going to be single family. And over to REIPro, we're going to go to our property type. So we're going to uncheck commercial. Right now, when we uncheck commercial, we're only going with residential. So we're going to open up residential. And then we're just going to only select single family. All right. So we're going to close that out. All right. So we're done with here. Let's go over to PropStream. We have single family, and that's about it. So we're going to come down here. We're not going to really mess with homeowners association and all that stuff. So we're going to go to the next filter, which is Mls status. Now, for vacant, we're not going to need the property to be on the MLS. So we're going to click on market. No. All right. And as you could see, now we're down to 2,989 unique properties. So we're going to go back over into REIPro, and we're going to go straight to our property attributes. All right. Now with property attributes, and you're going to see where property attributes in PropStream is a little bit different. All right. So date last sold. Let's go with custom date range. We're going to go with 1921 to 2011. That's 10 years of ownership or more. All right, so we're going to go over to PropStream, and we're going to go over to our ownership info. So we're going to actually skip our pre-foreclosure. Now, this is a good thing about pre-foreclosure. If you want to stack a list, a little bit, then you can use PropStream. PropStream is pretty good at that. So this is pretty much like list stacking. It's vacant, it's going through pre-foreclosure and so forth. And you could just put some dates in there and, recording date, status, and auction date if you really want to find out the properties that's going through auction. So this is where there's a bit of stacking with PropStream. Like I said, vacant, pre-foreclosure, auction. Those are three pain points in these properties. All right, so we're going to skip over here for a second, and we're going to go straight to our ownership info, which is like in REIPro, it's actually custom date last sold. So we're talking about properties, like I said earlier, that's been sold or owned for 10 years or more. So we're going to go over here in PropStream, years of ownership. We're going to go with minimum 10 years. All right, now owner's type, we're going to select individual, and we're going to skip last sale date and all that stuff. So this is pretty much it. The same thing in a sense with REIPro. All right, so they made it easier to actually have you just put a number in there, years of ownership. All right, so we're going to get out of here, and we're going to go over to our REIPro. Now we're going to go to our owners. So we're going to go with individual. So we're going to uncheck company, and it's a vacant property. So owner occupied, we're going to uncheck that. We're going to go with non-owner occupied in state and also out of state. All right. So let's go back into PropStream, and we're going to go down here. Now, here's where it gets a little bit fancy for PropStream. They have the pre-probate deceased owners. I mean, they just added this not too long ago. And let me tell you, this is a game changer. All right. This is doing wonders for a lot of people. And I feel like I said, if you want to stack a list, this is where it's at. Now, inter-family transfer, you'll leave it at any. Now, watch this number right here, 332. Now, as far as include unknown sale dates, now we're going to check that. Look at that. It went up 400 more to 746. A lot of people are missing this right here. They don't even check it. So they're losing out on quantity. All right. So, hey, like they say, data is king in this business. You want to have as much data as possible. There you have it right there. So if you're using PropStream and you're not checking this, you better check it because it's going to give you a lot more data. Now we could go in lien and bankruptcy and divorce. Like I said, list stacking, this is it 101 right here. All right. So you could use this, but in this case, we're not going to go with that. Valuation and equity info. We're going to go straight down here to estimated equity percentage. So with minimum, we're going to go with 60%. Now let's go over to our REI Pro. Remember in REI Pro, now if you remember, the first filter that we did was potential equity, which was 60% or more. All right. So if we go over to PropStream, we're going to go down to this little button right here, include unknown equity. Now we're down to 664. Watch this number change when you check this box right here from 664 to 672. I'm telling you, if you're using PropStream, you gotta check these little boxes right here. They will give you more properties. Now, as far as mortgage info, we're gonna do that last. Now, one of the things that I actually love about PropStream, when you're going to the next filter, as you open it, the one before actually closes by itself. Check it out. Boom. As you could see, valuation and equity closed and mortgage info opened. Now, unlike REI Pro, you have to actually close these filters manually. So we went into property attributes, closed that, owners, we went there, and that's pretty much it. We're pretty much done. So these are all the filters right here in REI Pro. Now let's go over into PropStream to the final filter, which is mortgage info. Now with mortgage info, we're going to include free and clear right here. And that's it. We're done with all the filters in PropStream. Let's go back to REI Pro. And here are the filters. We have the common filters, which is the equity percentage, the potential equity. We have the property type, the property attributes, and owner's info. And that's pretty much it. In PropStream, look what you're working with. You're working with all these filters up here, these two filters. Then you got the property characteristics, the MLS status, the pre-foreclosure and bank owned, ownership info, lien bankruptcy, divorce status, valuation and equity info, mortgage info, and all that good stuff. And over on the right side here, these are all the filters that you were working with, and you actually added some information in there. So you could actually go over and pretty much review all the info that you actually put in. All right, so we're gonna close it out, right? And now we're down to 601 unique properties. Let's see how much REI Pro has. So we're gonna click apply changes. Now we're down to 339 leads. PropStream 601, REI Pro 339 leads. All right, so there you have it. PropStream is a clear winner, hands down. So choose wisely, apply knowledge. All right, now because PropStream is the clear winner, I'm gonna have PropStream's link below. If you wanna actually sign up and get that 7-day free trial, go in the description below and click on that link and sign up. You will receive a 7-day free trial all on me. All right, so hey, Sean Rickshaw here. I'm out till the next video. Peace, God bless.